أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to www.islamicclasses.com, and my name is Hafiz Bilal. Today we are going to start Makhraj number 16, and from Makhraj number 16 there are three letters, and that letters we call Maddah letters. Let's go into more detail. So this makhraj, the makhraj number 16, there are three letters, and that three letters we call long vowels, or madda letters, like the longing letters. Okay, and that three letters are alif, waw, ya, right? But these letters are madda letters. What are madda? Madda basically is Arabic word, and that meaning is you have to long these letters. So when we long these three letters, inshallah, in the next examples you will find, and I will tell you when you have to long these three letters whenever these three letters come in the word or in the any place. So first of all, the definition of these three letters is the empty space in the mouth, and that is al-jawf place in Arabic, and this is one of that five major areas. Okay, so the jawf is the number 4. So from the jawf we read madda letters, and madda letters means longing letters or long vowels letter. The empty space in the mouth and throat has in it one articulation point, which is this 16, for the three lengthened letters, the longing letters, madda letters, huruf madda. Okay, these all are the name of these three letters. So now just come here in the first example of alif. So it's written alif madda. So this is alif madda example. Make sure what is jawf. Jawf is basically the mid place or the empty space in the mouth. This one, the green area you are looking here, that is the empty space in the mouth, and from this place the sound of these mother letters come out. Due to these letters we stretch the letter sound of the previous letter. So now we say first alif madda. So alif madda, we if we practice the example, so we say ba, right? If we spell, so we say ba alif fatha ba. We say again, because in the spelling make sure read every time letters first, that is the easy way, and the signs in the end. So we say again ba alif fatha ba ba. Okay, in this example now you know that the sound of alif is not coming. Alif is the reason to long this letter, that we call long vowels or madda letters. We say ba. So we are stretching basically ba, but the alif sound is a silent sound. That sound comes from the middle of our mouth, and the main area of this sound is the middle of the mouth, the empty space in the mouth. Now come on the second example. This is the waw maddah example here, and you can see the image, and the tongue's condition how is. So, and the lips condition also is a rounding, because we know that the waw we are reading here, but once we read this example of the waw madda, ba, wow, dhamma, boo. We are longing, but still look, we are not reading wow sound here also, because this is a longing letter. So in longing letters we do not read that letter's actual sound, so we read we long the behind letter sound. Why? Because due to this signs, these signs which are coming on that letter. So here is a dhamma is coming on the bar, so dhamma has actual sound, so that's why we say boo. Okay, but due to this wow. And the third one is Yamada. Yamada is also a letter where we long the ya, but ya sound is not, ya sound will not come. The sound will come of that is ba, ya is a silent, but due to this ya, we are longing this letter. So like we say ba ya kasra, b b. Okay, in this way the sound is coming from the empty space of our mouth, and that is this one. We say b. In the end you feel that your tongue is little bit raising to upside, and we say b. Okay, so these are the madda letters example, and examples of these madda letters are in the word, in one word, uh, as here. So we can say also nuhiha. Okay, and all these mother letters will long 1 second. Okay, like 1 second will long alif madda, 1 second will long waw madda, similarly 1 second will long ya madda. So here in this word the all madda letter examples are mentioned. So we say again nuhiha, nuhiha. Okay, I hope you understand the Makhraj number 16. If you have any kind of question regarding lesson or anything else, you can comment us, or anytime you can ask by contacting with us. And just watch our online courses also. So don't forget to subscribe our this channel, and stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.